Hello, I'm the module coordinator for Restorative Justice and Peacemaking Criminology, Margarita Zernova. This module brings together the approaches of restorative justice and peacemaking criminology. Restorative justice is a distinctive approach which aims to repair the harm caused by offending behavior by seeking to include people with a direct stake in what has occurred, rather than through the formal bureaucratic process in finding a solution to benefit all. Restorative justice is used increasingly around the world in criminal justice, but also in other settings, ranging from fighting and bullying on a school playground to problems involving genocide, mass violence, and gross violations of human rights. One extension of restorative justice is the strand of peacemaking criminology, which emerged some 30 years ago and has grown as a central theoretical context for the restorative justice movement. This critical perspective is partly a response to the perceived failure of the traditional methods of crime control and partly an attempt to integrate criminal justice theory with a broader philosophical approach to crime and justice, violence and non-violence rooted in humanism, spirituality, pacifism, and social justice. This module aims to equip you with understanding of the origins and development of restorative justice and within this of peacemaking criminology. It aims to help you identify and examine the key concepts, values, and principles of restorative justice and peacemaking criminology. We will identify the potential utility of alternative approaches to traditional criminal justice for mainstream criminologists, policymakers, and criminal justice practitioners.